Hello, 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 hello. Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Stella and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of my face and the things I do for the internet. Hi. So today we got some ttdeye contacts. I'm excited. My previous video about ttdeye was like 3 bajillion years ago. So we got this one today. It has 2 Halloween lens styles and 2 normal styles, and we're gonna test them out right now. The packaging stays beautiful and cute as always. Opening this thing up, we got, of course, the cases. Some really cute glitter sparkle thingies for nail art. A mirror. This beautiful case that I got my eyes on and I asked for it, so they sent it to me. I'm sorry if I'm looking in 2 places. I'm filming a video for YouTube and then I'm filming a vertical one for TikTok. And we got the 4 boxes, always in different colors. I love this about them. Stickers and instructions. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this. Do make sure you wash and dry your hands thoroughly before putting in on removing your lenses. This is a must. Don't wear your lenses longer than the prescribed amount of time. Do replace your lens case every 3 months. Don't go underwater in your lenses, including swimming or showering. Do throw out the solution in your lens case after you put your lenses in your eyes. Don't use water to clean or store your lenses. Do make sure to store your contact lenses overnight in disinfectant solution. And don't sleep in your contact lenses. I'm not sure if you guys have ever seen this video that this lady kept popping contact lenses from her eye for like half an hour. I don't know, it was crazy. But yeah, this is what the box has in it. Here is what I got, and I'm starting to notice that they have little stickers on them right now that shows you what color is in. Cheers. Okay. This one had some cosplay, Halloween style contacts. They look like this. They're pink. So let's pop them on right away. Before I get this started, let me show you that the boxes look super cute. They seal very well. And they come with these tools. It's for you to grab and put your lens in so that you pop it in your eye. So we're gonna start with Halloween. Oh God, it looks completely white on the inside. These are definitely not lenses to go out because they have a little tiny hole and you can't see like very clearly, like you can't drive and do stuff like that. But it's so totally awesome. Look at the glare, you guys. Oh. Okay, I can't see shit. I can barely see. I can see some stuff, but I can't really see some stuff. Like I can see that I'm there, but I can't really, oh my God, I'm in love. Seductress. So this is what the color looks like. That is so cool. And I'm also kind of dizzy already because you can kind of see like a dark, like vignette. But it just looks so good. Anyways, very, very, very comfortable. Oh, awesome. And we have one more Halloween thingy. It looks like that, and you can be mean with it. You can be the devil in disguise. Oh, this is what the box looks like, and this is what the lens looks like. This is not white on the inside, so it's gonna blend in with my eye color. I'm not sure if I put this like super close to the camera, if you can kind of get how you would see me. And it has a little net, so I'll have partial vision too. Making sure I put this the right way. Oh, everything is red. Okay. Guys, let me tell you, this is the first time that I'm using any Halloween type lenses, and I haven't cosplayed at all with lenses like that. And I'm also using the tools for the first time the right way. Easy peasy, especially with the long nails. So this is what these look like. Here I can see, but blurry. It's blurry, but I can, like, I'm not dizzy. It's just blurry and a little red. So let me take these out. Just pinch it. I'm gonna list the colors of these because I'm not sure. This was the Awaken Demon Red. And this is the Himalaya Grey. Let's see. I have this method of opening the boxes with a pair of tweezers. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna place it on this thingy. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, so the thing with these is that when I was a teenager and we didn't have any colored lenses in Greece, we had like one line of colored lenses from one company. I used to get every single one of them. They were so expensive. I used to spend all my pocket money on that. So this was one of my favorites. I think it really took me a while to find it. Maybe it was from Solotica, like after. This is what I was looking for from the start. And then I couldn't find it in Greece. And I was too young and internet was not like it is right now. And I think it was this one that I got from Solotica. And I paid for it like 80 bucks or even more than that. And I was in love with it. So this brings me back there. And this is such an amazing color. And it's so comfortable. And it's for 1 year on like a fraction of the price of that. And oh my goodness. Love it. Let me show you. But yeah, this was very exciting and heartwarming for me to see. It looks great. It looks very natural. And it's not like something that goes like, hi, I'm wearing lenses. It comes in softly. Very pretty. So last one is a hazel tone. It's called Trinity Brown. And I'm excited because I never get to get anything hazel-ish. I always go for the grays, blues, greens. And this time I was convinced by this. So let's see. It kind of reminds me of Kim Kardashian's gala moment. Yeah. It looks pretty transparent. That's what it looks like. Honestly, kind of orange. Let's see how it blends in. All right. It definitely lightens up my color, but I can't really see it. Just poke it in, just shove it in there, guys. Did you just hear that? I just suctioned. Okay, this is definitely inside out. I just suctioned my eye, guys, like this. Don't do that. It was. So I don't know what you think about this. Looks pretty cool in my opinion. Like up close, you can't see that it's fake, of course. And I don't know, it just gives me, you know, like cuteness. Definitely enlarges my eye. I 100% look like I have hazel eyes. You can see it probably in some better light. Like this, maybe? They look very real. I don't know why my nose keeps running. I swear I'm not doing drugs. But this is what this looks like. And I am amazed. But guess what? We're not done. First of all, let me remind you, if you haven't subscribed already, just click a like and subscribe to the channel. You're not gonna miss out, I promise. And let's open up this case. No, my battery's running low. Okay, I'm back. And I was saying that, remember when I showed you that cleaning lens case that it was like eye can, and I was so crazy about it? Eye can is actually a brand that goes all over the place. So this different company sent me the same brand's case, and I was so obsessed with that other one. Let's open it together, loves. Ooh. So this is the perfect travel kit. It has one lens case that you can see the color that you've put in here. One usage bottle for your solution. Some tweezers. So cute. They're a little bigger than your natural tweezers that you would get. It has a suction cap like this. So that's what you usually get. You can't really see it. Oh no, now you can. You have a little mirror and the case, and it just locks and goes into your bag, and your lenses are not gonna fly all over the place. So we'll wrap it up here, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can of course use my code and save some bucks, and I hope that I can bring you more and more contact lenses and you can see them worn and how they look like. Honestly, I'm kind of liking this. It made my eyes so much bigger, and nobody's gonna know. How will they know? So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my body. Ouch. So let's see. And this is secret. Oh god.